What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invest in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate it. Today's video is about cybersecurity stocks that I need you guys to consider adding to your portfolio. With what happened to Twitter, with the elections on the horizon, it's important that you guys play it smart and think long-term and strategically about various risks that's at play with the election season coming up, okay? And so cybersecurity stocks is something that's slept on. You guys know when they sleep, we eat. And so I'm going to put you guys on 2 stocks today that I want you guys to consider or at least add to your portfolio moving forward. So without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio and open up a free stock on the day. Okay, guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $36,398.67 on the day. Nothing really to write home about. But on the week, we are down 0.5%. On the month, we are up 1.8%, almost 2%. If we go 3 months out, we are up 15%. If we go 1 year out, we are up over 11%. And if we go out all time, we are still up over 11%. Guys that's been rocking with me, you know I started this account with $0 back in January, and I show you strategically how to grow your money and how to grow your wealth and how to properly grow an investment portfolio strategically and over time, month by month. And so I thank you guys for being here. You already know we're gonna open up a free stock today, and this one comes from Carrie Dean. And Carrie, you already know when you guys get a stock, I get a stock, and it's a win-win for both of us. And so free money is the best way to go. We're gonna go with the one in the middle. You never can go wrong with that. I got Heckler Mining. I've been getting this one a lot lately. 1 share, $4.57. I can't thank you guys enough for using a free link. I tell you guys all the time, I've signed up over 1,000 something people for Robinhood alone. So as many people as I can turn on to the stock market, I'm okay with doing that because that's what I set out to do. I want everybody in the game because I know with the right skills, following the right person, I know we all can be successful doing it. Okay, guys, the number 1 stock that I want to start with today as a cybersecurity play is FireEye, ticker symbol FEYE. It's currently sitting at $13.06. Okay, guys, I need to tell you a little bit about this stock so that you know how to play this one, because although both of these stocks will be in cybersecurity, they both do something totally different. Okay, so this one, you guys may be aware that Twitter got hacked this past week, and so accounts like Elon Musk, Kanye West, Jeff Bezos, Joe Biden, Obama, you name it, all those cats got hit. And when they got hit, that was a potential warning sign for things to come. But cybersecurity companies like FireEye, they are the ones that Twitter should be reaching out to right about now, or yesterday even, to get someone like this company to handle all their cybersecurity attacks. This type of cybersecurity company is the one that will stop social media accounts, celebrity accounts, email accounts, and things like that from getting hacked. Or you guys heard about the social engineering that was taking place. If you want to stop that from happening, FireEye is a type of cybersecurity company that a business should be linked to. But more importantly, you guys that's working from home, you guys got to know, man, it's a whole new threat out there that exists. You guys might not be going to work anytime soon because that's just the way the new normal will be. As a result, your at-home computer, that phone you own, all those apps you guys have been going to, all those apps you guys have been watching on TV since you've been stuck at home, all of that makes you guys a threat for the same thing that happened from a social engineering standpoint to Twitter. It can happen to everyday people. I know we're not as high profile as those guys and it won't make the news, but still we're pissed if your bank account information gets hacked, gets used, somebody run up 1,000, 2,000, $10,000 on the credit card, okay? We don't want that to happen. And so if you guys want to play it smooth from an investing standpoint, consider FireEye. It's currently $13.06. You guys know the price target on this one is $12.81, but if you can get it lower than that, jump in and pounce all over this. If you can't get it at $12.81, $12.90 is the next entry point that I need you guys to consider this stock at. Again, this one will have to catch momentum because in anticipation of election season coming up, it will slowly become more relevant for the time that we're in. So keep that one in your back pocket. Know that I put you guys on that one first. Next up, we have Proofpoint, ticker symbol PFPT. This one is currently sitting at $114.71. Another type of cybersecurity stock, different than FireEye because they're focused on social media accounts, emails, and things like that. This one, however, this one deals with a whole different landscape. And so guys, in terms of being diverse, there's diversity within certain sectors. Just because you are investing in a cybersecurity stock, that doesn't mean they all do the same exact thing. Proofpoint is one that I need you guys to consider. The 52-week high on this one is $133. The 52-week low is $83. Guys, listen, again, with everything that's on the horizon, it makes sense that you are planning ahead, but that corporate businesses are also planning ahead. Proofpoint is one way to do that. Let me just read a little bit about what they do. Proofpoint engages in the provision of cloud-based solutions. The firm's security and compliance platform comprised of integrated suite, threat protection, information protection, and brand protection solutions. Its solution also include email protections, advanced threat protection, email authentication, data loss prevention, SaaS, application protection, response orchestration and automation, digital risk, web browser isolation, email encryption, archiving, e-discovery, supervision, secure communication, phishing simulation, and security awareness, computer-based training. Listen, guys, that's a lot. I can go on and on and on reading about everything else they do, but you get the long and short of this. You guys need this type of protection for yourself personally, but you guys need this type of protection as an investment portfolio as well. You don't want to be all heavy in one sector and you neglect other sectors. Consider cybersecurity stock, and if you're going to do so, consider these two, FireEye and Proofpoint. Up next, our word of the day is recession. Guys, we've been in a recession for a long time. We just happen to be in a bull rally as part of the recession. So don't get it twisted. Don't think this is the regular stock market. What you guys have been operating in and dominating in so far is still a recession. You guys see my portfolio was up 11% in a recession. You guys have to think and imagine what would it be if times were normal. Okay, that's the power of the stock market. But nevertheless, a recession is when the stock market is down 10% or more for an extended period of time. Listen, guys, we had a recession in 2008. That's the one that you guys have most likely been impacted by, but you might not have been investing during that time frame. However, recessions can also be something that's healthy for the stock market and sometimes for the economy if bad practices are happening. So again, if you are invested right, if you have invested strategically and you have a diversified portfolio, you are not as fearful about recession as others may be. But typically recessions drive a lot of fear. Fear makes a lot of people do irrational things in the stock market, like sell stocks, like panic when the stock price drops or dips. And so that's when savvy investors, veteran investors, they wait for that kind of thing to happen and they scoop up all the fear you guys threw out into the atmosphere. And so you guys know over here, when they sleep, we eat. We don't panic, we pounce. And so guys, if I can tell you anything, don't let a recession scare you. Look at it as an opportunity to do your thing. Recession is a time where most millionaires are made, and the reason why is because it's an opportunity to buy low. So listen, guys, that's our word of the day. I'm going to keep revisiting these words, and so don't worry about if I didn't go too deep on this, because I'm coming right back. Next up, we have our question of the day, and today's questions come from Dreadhead Lion King. He said, hello, I am a disabled veteran, and due to my military service, I am wheelchair bound. I have been really lost with no motivation or purpose. I have always wanted to try my hand at investing. With your guidance, I felt confident enough to give it a try. Now I feel like I have purpose and something to look forward to every day. I have always been very athletic, and I was a gym rat, so you can imagine how difficult my new normal has been. Thank you, bro. I definitely appreciate you. I have even started back reading the Bible again. Dreadhead Lion King, man, I told you, bro, I was moved by this when I first came across this and read this in my comments. So I can't do nothing but send some love out your way. But more important than love, I'm sending some encouragement your way as well. Listen, man, I can't imagine some of what you might be going through. However, I know the struggle from a different angle. What I want to say to you today, man, is keep your head up. Keep going. I'm so happy that my channel has provided you some newfound motivation, and I'm happy that everybody that rocks with me on this page are so encouraging and positive as well, because I saw everybody jump on your comment and send some love your way. And so I salute that, not only for you but for them, and for just us cultivating the type of community that you typically don't see on YouTube. And so we one of the best channels, we one of the best YouTube pages and channels for a reason. You guys are a part of that, and the way you guys love on each other is part of that. So I want to encourage that to keep happening, because that's the type of dude I am. I'm going to always kick positivity, but more importantly, I'm going to do what I can to lift others up. And so if I can help you out, if I can shout you out, if I can offer a word of advice, that's all I'm here to do, man. Of course, I love talking about stocks and investing, but I know life is much more than that. And so when people like you come along with real life things that has taken place, that has knocked your motivation down, that might have gave you a reason not to want to live or go forward, all I can do is sit back and thank the Lord for letting me be a vessel for somebody like yourself. And so, listen, man, I appreciate you sending this question. I had to read it because sometimes you never know what you've been through is meant to bless somebody else. And so a lot of times you guys don't know that your comments is changing the lives of so many other people. Those of you that comment in the comments are changing the lives of so many other people. So keep that up. Let's keep encouraging one another. And I just want to tell you, man, keep pressing, keep pushing. If you're not dead, you're not done. Come anytime to my channel if you need motivation, because I promise to deliver it every single day. Without further ado, man, I thank you and I salute you, and I send major love your way. Listen, guys, if you have comments, make sure you let me know and leave them in my comments below. I'll grab them, add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every week, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.